What up? I just got this new Frobo. Try it out. The roar all cleaned up, so let's do it. Some strawberry cough. Fucking bomb. Yeah. Cheers. Some really good strawberry cough. I made some bomb earwax the other day out of some headband, and shit came out really good. So it's time to do some of that too. Maybe I could afford a fucking decent torch. Shit looks pretty good. Kind of. Headband earwax. Cheers. Some more of it right here. This shit's just bomb as fuck. I'd show it to you, but my camera sucks. It's a flip share. Good fuck. That was delicious. Yeah. I really need to edit these videos, but I don't, so whatever. Cheers.